successful house builder. Built over 100 houses. He was initiated at Sandy Springs Lodge, number 165. Past Master Grant Park Lodge, 604. Past Master Daylight Lodge, 743. Served as district deputy, served as chairman of the district deputy. Chairman of the Development Committee, President of the Georgia Masonic Charities Foundation, President of the Cobb County Scottish Rite Association, served as executive on the executive committee at Valley of Atlanta, Scottish Rite, member of the Shrine, York Rite. I've got something special for you. I happened to be fortunate to go in Gary's house one day. He took me back there to the office, his office in his house. He's got his whole life on the wall. And I said, Brother Gary, thank you. We'd like to present you and Mike with this painting by Daley Smith, our architect.